Breaking news! New Zealand is urgently hiring nurses with free visa sponsorship. Now, you know me, I love a bit of good news, and this is good news for all you wonderful nurses out there. If you're a nurse dreaming of working abroad in a high-paying country, oh honey, this is your chance. Imagine swapping dreary old insert home country for those stunning New Zealand landscapes. It's like something out of a movie. High salaries, up to 95,000 New Zealand dollars per year. That's enough for a lovely little house, a few sheep, maybe even a boat. Free visa sponsorship from top hospitals. No more visa headaches, darling. Easy registration process, no complex exams. They're practically rolling out the red carpet for you. And the best part? You don't need to struggle with confusing job searches. We're revealing the top 5 recruitment agencies that will get you hired fast. Stay till the end because I'll also share insider tips on how to get an offer in less than 30 days. Let's begin. Now, you might be thinking, New Zealand? Why are they so desperate for nurses? Well, let me tell you, it's not just a shortage, it's a full-blown crisis, my dears. They need skilled, compassionate nurses like yourselves, and they need them yesterday. The government's throwing everything they've got at it. Work visas, PR pathways, you name it. They're practically begging you to come and live in paradise. And the demand? Off the charts. Aged care, ICU, mental health, midwifery, you name it, they need you. So if you've got that nursing qualification tucked away, dust it off, because you could be on that plane before you know it. And the best part? You don't have to wait around. You can apply for a job today and get sponsored. It's that simple. Now I know what you're thinking, Graham, this sounds too good to be true. But trust me, my loves, this is the real deal. New Zealand needs nurses, and they're willing to pay top dollar to get them. So what are you waiting for? Get those applications in. Your Kiwi adventure awaits. And don't forget, stick around because I've got all the insider tips and tricks to help you land that dream job in New Zealand. We'll be right back after this quick break. All right, my angels, before you pack your bags and book that flight, let's have a little chat about the eligibility requirements. It's essential to be well prepared and informed before making such a significant move. Now don't worry, it's not rocket science, but it does require some attention to detail and a bit of planning. First things first, you'll need a recognized nursing degree. This is your golden ticket to start the process. And listen, I know you've got those brains, but make sure it's equivalent to New Zealand standards, darling. This means your degree should be from an accredited institution. Oh, and a little birdie told me that 2 years of experience is preferred. This experience helps you adapt quickly to the healthcare environment in New Zealand. But don't fret if you're fresh out of nursing school. There are still opportunities for you. Now, let's talk English. Communication is key in nursing after all. You'll need to prove you've got a good grasp of the Queen's language, either through IELTS or OET. This ensures you can effectively communicate with patients and colleagues. Aim for a 7.0 in reading, listening, and speaking on the IELTS, and a 6.5 in writing. These scores reflect your ability to understand and convey information accurately. For OET, you're looking at a B in reading, listening, and speaking, and a C+ in writing. These benchmarks are set to ensure you can handle the demands of the job. And finally, the big one, you'll need to register with the Nursing Council of New Zealand. This is a crucial step to legally practice as a nurse in the country. Don't worry, we'll delve into that a little later. The process might seem daunting, but it's manageable with the right guidance. Now, I know what you're thinking, Graham. My English isn't quite up to par. It's a common concern, but there are ways to improve. Well, my loves, don't despair. There are plenty of resources and courses available to help you boost your language skills. You can always apply for the Competency Assessment Program, CAP courses. These courses are designed to bridge any gaps in your knowledge and skills. And here's a little insider tip. Some employers will even sponsor your CAP course and visa. How fabulous is that? This can significantly reduce your financial burden. So, there you have it, my dears. The eligibility requirements laid bare. It's all about being prepared and taking the right steps. Now don't go anywhere, because up next we're tackling the Nursing Council of New Zealand Registration. Stay tuned for more detailed guidance. Now, my little cherubs, let's talk about the Nursing Council of New Zealand Registration. I know, bureaucracy can be a real drag, but trust me, this is important. First up, you'll need to submit your application to the NCNZ along with all the necessary documents. We're talking your degree, your experience letters, police clearance, and of course, those English test results. Once they've had a good look through your life story, you'll need to pass the International Nursing Assessment. And finally, you'll need to complete a Competency Assessment Program (CAP) course. It's just to make sure you're up to date with all the latest Kiwi nursing practices. Once you've ticked all those boxes, you'll be the proud owner of a practicing certificate ready to take on the world, or at least New Zealand. And the best part? Once you're registered, you can apply for those high-paying jobs with visa sponsorship. It's like a golden ticket to a brighter future. So, there you have it, the NCNZ registration process demystified. Now don't go anywhere, because up next, we're diving into the juicy part-free visa sponsorship nursing jobs in New Zealand. Now, my darlings, let's talk about the part you've all been waiting for. Free visa sponsorship nursing jobs in New Zealand. You heard me right, free. No more emptying your savings account for visa applications. So, who's offering this amazing opportunity, you ask? Well, my loves, it's practically everyone. The public hospitals, the private healthcare companies, even the aged care and rest homes are jumping on the bandwagon. But where do you find these golden opportunities, you ask? Well, fear not, my dears, because I've got you covered. Check out websites like New Zealand Health Jobs, Work Here NZ, and Seek NZ. And here's a little insider tip: use keywords like visa sponsorship and nurse jobs when you're searching. It'll save you a lot of time and hassle. So there you have it. All the information you need to find those free visa sponsorship nursing jobs in New Zealand. Now don't go anywhere, because up next, I'm revealing my top 5 recruitment agencies that will help you land your dream job. Now, my little lambs, if you're anything like me, you love a bit of help, especially when it comes to job hunting. Navigating the job market can be a daunting task, filled with endless applications, interviews, and the constant waiting game. But fear not, because help is at hand. That's where recruitment agencies come in. These agencies are like your personal job hunting assistants, taking the stress out of the process and connecting you with the best opportunities. They're like fairy godmothers, waving their magic wands and making all your job dreams come true. With their extensive networks and industry knowledge, they can open doors you never even knew existed. So, without further ado, let me introduce you to my top 5 recruitment agencies for New Zealand nursing jobs. These agencies have a proven track record of placing nurses in rewarding positions across the country. First up, we've got Geneva Healthcare. This agency is a powerhouse in the healthcare recruitment sector, known for its comprehensive support and wide range of job opportunities. They're one of New Zealand's largest healthcare recruiters, and they're absolutely fantastic at helping nurses with their NCNZ registration and visa sponsorship. They make the transition to New Zealand as smooth as possible. Next, we've got Accent Health Recruitment. This agency is well regarded for its specialization in placing nurses and midwives into government-funded hospitals, ensuring job security and excellent benefits. They specialize in placing nurses and midwives into government-funded hospitals. This means you'll be working in well-supported environments with great career progression opportunities. So if you're looking for a secure job with great benefits, they're the ones to call. Their team is dedicated to matching you with the perfect role that fits your skills and career aspirations. Now, for those of you who are interested in aged care and disability nursing, I highly recommend Drake Medox NZ. This agency has a strong focus on these sectors and offers a variety of roles to suit your preferences. They've got loads of jobs on offer, and they even offer PR pathways. This means you can not only find a job, but also secure a future in New Zealand with permanent residency options. If you're looking for a more personalized approach, Tonix Health Recruitment is a great option. They pride themselves on their tailored services and close relationships with both clients and candidates. They work directly with New Zealand hospitals, and they're known for arranging fantastic relocation packages. This includes everything from finding accommodation to helping you settle into your new community. And last but not least, we've got Geneva Staffing. This agency is renowned for its efficiency and speed in processing visas and providing relocation support. They're known for their super fast visa processing and relocation support. If you're in a hurry to start your new life in New Zealand, Geneva Staffing will get you there in no time. So if you're in a hurry to get to New Zealand, they're the ones to call. Their streamlined processes ensure you can start your new job as quickly as possible. And there you have it, my dears. These agencies are your best bet for finding nursing jobs in New Zealand. My top 5 recruitment agencies for New Zealand nursing jobs. Each one offers unique benefits and services to help you achieve your career goals. Now, don't forget to apply to multiple agencies to increase your chances of landing that dream job. The more you apply, the better your chances of finding the perfect fit. Now my little chickadees, let's talk visas. I know, it can be a bit of a minefield, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. Navigating the visa process can seem daunting, but with the right information, it's a breeze. For all you high-flying nurses out there, you'll probably be eligible for the straight-to-residency visa. This means you can bypass the temporary visa stage entirely. That's right, you can skip the temporary visa and go straight to residency. How fabulous is that? Imagine starting your new life with the security of residency from day one. If you've got an employer who's willing to sponsor you, you'll need to apply for the Accredited Employer Work Visa. This visa is perfect for those who have already secured a job offer. And for those of you who are looking to settle down in New Zealand long-term, the Skilled Migrant Visa is the way to go. This visa is designed for individuals with skills that are in demand in New Zealand. It's a points-based system, and if you score enough points, you can apply for permanent residency after working in New Zealand for a few years. Points are awarded based on factors like age, work experience, and qualifications. Now I know what you're thinking, Graham. How long does this whole visa process take? Well, it varies depending on the type of visa and your individual circumstances. Well, my loves, it usually takes around 3 to 6 weeks. However, some visas might take longer, so it's always good to plan ahead. But if you're in a hurry, the fastest way to get your visa is to apply through an accredited employer. They have streamlined processes to get you approved quickly. They'll handle all the paperwork for you so you can sit back, relax, and dream about your new life in New Zealand. Imagine yourself enjoying the beautiful landscapes and vibrant cities. So there you have it, my dears. The visa process might seem complex, but with the right guidance, it's entirely manageable. Everything you need to know about the New Zealand work visa process for nurses. Whether you're aiming for residency or a work visa, New Zealand has a pathway for you. Well, my loves, there we have it. Your one-way ticket to becoming a nurse in beautiful New Zealand. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more nursing job updates. Let's get this video to 1 million likes, shall we? And don't be shy, my dears. Drop a comment below if you have questions. I personally reply to all nursing queries. I love a good chinwag, so don't be afraid to reach out. And before you dash off, don't forget to share this video with fellow nurses looking for jobs abroad. Spread the love, my darlings. Follow us for more job updates and join our membership for personal guidance, exclusive tips, and job support.